Did you know 6 shocking facts about burping and digestion?
Fact 1. Most burps come from swallowed air, not stomach gas. Fact 2. Carbonated drinks can cause up to 10 times more burps from dissolved CO2 gas. Fact 3. Burping can bring up stomach acid, causing heartburn in 20 to 30% of people. Fact 4. Your stomach has billions of bacteria and burping can spread them to others. Fact 5. Chewing gum or eating fast increases swallowed air, leading to more burps and bloating. Fact 6. Burping is normal and helps release excess gas to prevent stomach pain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.